Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to remove Threads mention and Instagram bio. So as we all know guys, everybody that have Threads and Threads is by Instagram, so it's by default your account on Threads appear on your bio and Instagram after you create one. So let's see how we can remove the Threads mention and the Instagram app bio. So first you just need to head over and go into your Instagram, and after that the bio is on our profile. So we will go into our profile by tapping on the profile picture on the bottom right corner, tap on it, and right here as you can see, this is my Threads. It's on my Instagram bio. So what I want to do to remove it, you just need to go into the edit profile from here, and right here as you can see, you can change your name, username, pronouns, and you can add bio, add link, etc. There are multiple options right here, but I want you to look into the show Threads badge right here, and I want you to tap on this toggle to toggle it off. So by doing that guys, you can just go back to your profile and look if the Threads still mentioned in your Instagram bio. So it's not, it doesn't appear right here anymore. So this is the solution, and that's how to remove Threads mention in Instagram bio. Anyways guys, this is the video. This is all the thing. It's so easy and so simple. It's not complicated, so everybody can do that without facing any problem. Anyways guys, if you found that video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share that video with your beloved ones, and thank you so much for watching.